Year 6 Maths, dividing decimals by a whole number, lesson 1. Here we have a decimal divided by a whole number. We have 1.15 divided by 5. Now, this is pretty straightforward. We just use the bus stop method with one small change. So we draw our bus stop, 5 here, 1.15. All we do is we put the decimal point in the same place above. 5 goes into 1, 0 times. Carry the 1 over. 5 goes into 11 2 times with a remainder. And 5 goes into 15 3. So your answer is 0.23. Now I can check to see if I have my answer correct by doing the inverse operation. So if I do 0.23 multiplied by 5, if I am correct, I should get back to 1.15. So let me just put my decimal place in the answer box. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, that's 11. 5 times 0 is 5 times 0 is 0, and then we add the 1 there. So that means we have the correct answer. Next, we have 8.24. So pause the video, do that as a bus stop method. Don't forget to put your decimal place above, and then we'll go through the answer together. Okay, so 2 here, 8.24. 2 decimal point above. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 goes into 2 1 time, and 2 goes into 4 2 times. So the answer is 4.12. And if you do 4.12 multiplied by 2, you will get 8.24. This one is slightly different because we have got a 1 in the tens column and a 6 in the ones column, and then we have the decimal point. So have a go at doing that, and then unpause the video and we'll go through that together. Okay. 5 here, 16.5. Decimal point above there. 5 goes into 1, 0 times, carry the 1 over to make 16. 5 goes into 16 3 times with a remainder of 1, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. Now, we do not need the 0 here at the front because it's telling us nothing. It's not holding a place. So the answer is actually 3.3. So if I was to write that as my answer, I would not put that 0. I've put it there because it helps me to do the bus stop method. Now, if I do 3.3 times 5, we should get 16.5. So let's check that to see if we got our answer correct. We're doing the inverse method again. Decimal place here. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1, 16. And there you go. Okay. 0.42 divided by 2. Have a go with the bus stop method and we'll go through it together. Alright, so 0.42, and we put our 2 here. So decimal point above. 2 goes into 0, 0 times. No remainder. 2 goes into 4, 2 times. And 2 goes into 2 1 time. Now in this case, we do need the 0. Because we have digits after the decimal place, this 0 is telling us there are no 1s. So we need to have that there. We now have some more decimals divided by whole numbers for you to practice. So I'm going to ask you to pause your video and to do these calculations, and then when you are done, if you unpause the video, and I will show you the answers. Okay, I will now show you the answers. So there you have the answers in green, so check those. If you have a different answer, do it again, see where you went wrong. And if you're still getting the same answer, maybe I've made a mistake, unlikely as I have checked them, but let me know if you are experiencing difficulty and you're not getting one of those answers. Thank you.